How to fix when Roku channels won't open or load. Reset channels on Roku and get it working once more. When a number of your Roku channels fails to open, begin by resetting the channel. If that step doesn't present a decision, you will have quite a few choices to discover, corresponding to rebooting your Roku, checking connectivity, and updating your software program. Causes why Roku channels receive at open. There are a number of widespread explanations why Roku channels gain at open as anticipated. The channel must be up to date. One thing went fallacious when downloading the channel. The channel developer is resolving points. The channel not receives assist for Roku. Your Roku misplaced connectivity. To slender down the supply of the difficulty, verify a number of channels to see if the issue is with Choose apps or your whole Roku system. Find out how to repair it when Roku channels don't open. Sometimes, a channel replace or reset can get rid of the difficulty. If the issue appears extra system-wide, this troubleshooting checklist contains different suggestions that can assist you get your Roku channels opening once more. Examine for a channel replace. If a channel opens however crashes instantly or doesn't open in any respect, you would possibly must replace it. Spotlight the channel press the star button examine for updates. Remove and reinstall the channel. When a channel replace doesn't work or isn't out there, take away it, restart your Roku, and set up the Roku channel once more. Examine for a Roku system replace. Although your Roku checks routinely, you would possibly must set off a guide replace. Go to dwelling settings system replace examine now. Reboot your Roku. If there's no Roku system replace, it's by no means a nasty thought to power off your Roku and restart the system. Reset your network connection. First, verify that you simply related to the web by going to dwelling settings connectivity. Even when your connection is okay, disconnect and reconnect to your community and reboot your Roku. Examine with the channel developer. Go to the channel supplier's website to double check that the developer nonetheless helps the channel for Roku. If there's nonetheless assist and you may discover details about your difficulty on the corporate's social media or assist pages, contact the developer instantly. Reset your Roku to factory settings. In the event you've explored all the opposite choices and you may open a number of Roku channels, this step might be the final one to strive earlier than contacting Roku Assist. Contact Roku support. When all else fails, search Assist from Roku. Guarantee you may present particulars about your TV mannequin, Roku OS model, and the problems you're experiencing with channels not opening. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.